Hi everybody, welcome back to week 5 DLD. Hope you had a really great holiday break and that you are well rested and ready for the work week. I miss you guys so much and just want to see what you guys are working on. So I cannot wait for you guys to submit this project. To get started, you'll have to open up your Gmail suite and go into your email. And prior to that, what you'll want to do is send yourself a photograph of the project that you have created. And so you can see right here, I had sent to Eli's email the family tree project, and we click on it. It's not finished yet. We added a couple of more details, but I'm going to add this picture literally right to my Gmail Google Drive. Right here, it says add to my drive. So I click on that, and it just like magic says added to my drive. I go back here, and then I look for an email from my teacher, Mrs. Stone or Allie Stone, and it will have 5A, B, C, D, or E, and it will say invitation to collaborate. That means your academic group has access to this file. So everybody in 5D has access to 5D's file and so on. It says open. I click open, and it automatically takes me to my Google Drive main screen, which we can work through how to organize that at another time. But it shows me exactly that shared drive. What I want to do is find my image so I can put it in that drive. So I go to my drive where I had added my image, and it comes up to be the first thing under quick access. It will be right here. It just takes a moment on my computer. Talk about tick-tock. Okay, so here it is, you can see, and I right-click on my picture so that I can rename it. And I'm going to rename it my last name, Stone, my grade, and my academic group, and then I'm going to take away the extension. So everybody's going to name it last name 5 and your academic letter, and you'll hit OK. It tells you that it just got renamed at the bottom. It confirms that I did that. I'm then going to right-click again, and I'm going to move to. And it asks me where I want to move it to. I want to move it to something shared with me. I double-click, and there's the 5D. I double-click, and I move it here. It asks me if I want to do that, and yes, I do. So I move it there. And then I'm going to quickly check. I double-click on shared with me. I see today that my 5D is right here. I double-click on it, and voila, just like magic. A couple of steps, super easy. You guys got this. If you need any help, please make sure that you watch this video over and over and over again so that you get the steps. I will also put them in writing in the blue folder on your social studies DLD courses. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday, a great week. We will conference later on in the week. I miss you and I love you guys. Happy crafting.